To create a Fiat wallet on Crypto.com. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the account option at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the Fiat wallet option, which may also be labeled as CAS. Both options are the same, so choose whichever one is available. After clicking on the option, a similar screen will appear, where you should click on Accept All, and then check the box to accept all terms next. Provide the required additional information and click Submit Now. You will then be prompted to verify your identity by providing personal details, such as your SSN number. Once you have filled out these details, your request will be submitted for review by the Crypto.com team. After your identity has been verified, you will see a confirmation screen indicating that your Fiat wallet has been created. With your new wallet set up, you can deposit funds and begin trading in crypto.